To begin with, what I would like to tell you is, what we plan. Implementation, this was a part of the reforms that we were doing for the 2% aid from the government of India over and above borrowing, over and above that was sanctioned during these pandemic time. And we took this challenge to ensure that within the time period provided to us, we should be able to achieve it. Not only achieve it, but put up the best possible system in place so that the departments can use it and to ensure that all the departments come on one platform. So for the phase one, we did it in a modular fashion. We can add more features and also the departments as we move along. We have also created a framework to ensure that the departments have are the stakeholders. Also, there is a good monitoring system that we have put in place. We have Chief Secretary taking meetings, and he reviews how these systems are functioning. Ease of doing business meetings are very regular. In fact, we have twice a month these meetings take place. Talking about the implementation, we have divided into 4 phases. The first phase and the second phase are going on right now. Talking about implementation and what we decided to do in the phase one, we only integrated with the 4 departments with essential features, namely labor, factories and boilers, legal meteorology, and state pollution control board. In the phase two, onboarding of inspection modules of all 4 departments were done. Also, in phase three, we are looking at onboarding 4+ additional department. In fact, we are looking at 6 departments. And in the final phase, we will have only this as an inspections in all the departments of the state will happen through this particular portal only. Now, talking about the key features, random inspector will be allocated with no repetition so that one inspector will not keep going to a particular entity. So that has been taken care. Another is inspection procedure and inspection checklists. So the entire processes and the checklist have been put online of each and every inspection that are taken out by the various departments. So the companies and the entities can check out what is the checklist, what they need to adhere to, how the process will be. And the inspectors have been told that they cannot go beyond the process and the checklist that has been given on the system. Also, we have worked out a process for synchronized and joint site inspection. This I will take in detail in our next slides. View and download inspection reports. And now we are also working out that all the comments when it comes to the inspection report, not only inspection report is uploaded, but in HTML form, you actually know what are the findings of the report. So that can be displayed very easily. And the companies can actually take actions. So it is mostly the idea of developing such a system is corrective and not punitive. On the inspection side, we are looking at is single inspection framework that I spoke about, effective timeline monitoring, transparent regulatory framework, investor friendly interface, and computerized scheduling. Now, this was a very important part, and this was told to us within the framework that there should be a computerized scheduling algorithm base, so that we have put in place comprehensive dashboard and analysis. So you can entity wise, you can find out what all inspection has happened. You can also find out based on the departments and based on the inspection. So dashboards are also provided for. One in central inspection framework for multiple departments. So that is what we are looking at. Computerized random allocation of inspection based upon risk category and synchronized joint state site inspection of industrial units. We also have emphasized, additional features to improve on this central inspection system. And we are looking at adding, because many places we have removed inspections. And what we are trying to do is that how the entities and the investors can add on their self-certification so that you can have a look at a single site, that if the self-certification process is allowed for, say, for example, in electricity department, in other departments, so they can be uploaded here. Complaint based inspection also we can add on. If there is a complaint that is coming back, then how the process should be, so we can add on to that process. Third party inspection, because many of the areas when it comes to the ease of doing business, we have done away with the inspections which, and we have also given certain inspections which are required to be done by the third party. So how we can get the third party also on the same portal is something that we are working at. We have also tried to ease it that it's also linked to SMS alerts, chatbots, and email alerts. Talking about the what we did is the design architecture that we are talking about, flexible and comprehensive. We have a modular architecture in which it is very easy to join and add more departments and also add more features. So the features that I talked about are the ones that we can add because the whole architecture is very flexible and modular in nature. The most important aspect is we will be giving you a live demo so that you can see how simple it is to use. The user experience is kept at the center of the whole experience. And we have added on, as I've earlier said, chat box, FAQs, and grievance modules. Wherever it is possible, we have tried to do government process reengineering so that we can make the processes as simple as possible and as intuitive as possible for people to understand that this is not something arcane or something which people cannot understand. So which is why everything has been given in the checklist and in the processes which are explained. Effective monitoring with the help of the dashboards and with the help of the alerts and with the help, we have ensured that there is an effective monitoring of timelines and procedures. Compliance is what we are also looking at. As I mentioned earlier, also we are looking at compliances and beyond this. A state has introduced CIS to all other departments to reduce compliance burdens on investors. So we are taking it as a tool, and when we talked about adding third-party inspections and adding other inspections also, it self-certification as well, it's basically making it as a tool for ensuring that there is a least burden when it comes to the compliances. Now talking about how there is a one of the central feature has been the joint inspection and how we can make that joint inspection to work effectively. There are three methodology that we are using. One is, say, a person comes through our single window, so we have a single window, and they will be putting all their data on the single window, and we know with which all departments they have interfaces, and then we can ensure that there is a effective way of scheduling and monitoring the joint inspection. So that is one methodology that we have worked out. Second methodology would be the deduplication method, where on the basis of 4 or 5 parameters we can find out how many departments are be there and how many joint inspection that can be scheduled. And the third way of doing it is that directly we onboard and we say these are the inspections that need to be taken out, and that can be done jointly. So right now, in order to develop the systems, before the system develop its own intelligence through the way of analytics, these are the methodology through which we are organizing the joint inspection systems. So which is why we are talking about business entity lifecycle, analyze the business entry data, deduplicate that I talked about, and create a common Karnataka business directory model. That will, with analytics, this will ensure that more and more joint inspections are scheduled by the system itself. Joint inspection, I've talked about. System integration, there is a bi-directional data integration between departments and API integration with departments that we are looking at. Dashboards and reporting, automated reporting of each department's individual inspections, monitoring and review dashboard department wise, status wise, duration wise. So all of this is made possible through the system that we have developed here. So this is in brief the central inspection system that has been, this is the architecture that we are looking at it. This is below, you can see that the departments which has been put in place with their guidelines, inspection triggers, and the entire forms, etc., which put in place for each and every department, and they're connected to APIs. We have a business 360 view talking about deduplication of business data, aggregate overall view, common inspection scheduling framework with randomization, and central inspection web app that we developed. Overview, central inspection system, department type inspection, the inspection process, inspection checklist, grievance, and digital assistant FAQ.